So the Wiener Schnitzel is probably the most famous dish coming out of Vienna. So here we have Duroc pork loins, which need to be cleaned up a little bit. You know, you want to cut off the silver skin and the fat. And when you're done with that, you want to cut it into portions. We use the first 2/3 of the loins for our schnitzels and the remaining third for our Hochzeitsschnitzel as well as the Grünauer Schnitzel. And once you have these cut, you want to pound them out. You don't want to be too thin, you don't want to be too thick. So this can be a daunting task when you have to do several loins every day. It's definitely a good workout. And once they're pounded thin and they're ready for service, you just season them with salt and pepper. Bread them, like I mentioned before, in flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. And then they go in a pan. And the trick is that you want to keep this pan moving. This is a very important part. As the pan is moving, the oil is moving, and it coats the schnitzel evenly over and over. It allows for the breading to souffle, which means the meat itself is going to create steam as it heats up, and it's going to blow up the breading, which is a very desired effect to have. Yeah, you just carefully fry it on one side, you turn it around, finish the other side, you take it out, let the excess fat drip off a little bit, and it's ready to be served.